Hi, I'm Shayna and I am working on a project for one of my leadership classes, and I decided to get some practice in for this extra credit assignment for MDS 300 with my presentation. These are some of the slides that I'm working on, and I'm actually pretty stoked that I'm able to practice recording right now for this presentation due in my other class. So this is the social change model of leadership. It ties in with group values, individual values, and community values. And in order to cause a social change, you have to have all three of those intertwined. So my group in my leadership class, we are teaching social change about Idaho Suicide Prevention Hotline and how that is part of social change. So I'm going to do my portion. Social change starts with personal values, and I think it comes from the volunteers that work at the Idaho Suicide Prevention Hotline. It takes self-knowledge and commitment to suicide prevention in order to work for a place like that. There's a lot of controversy behind suicide and what the right way to handle it is. So I think in order to be a volunteer, you have to have personal strong beliefs about suicide prevention and the importance of spreading the word and talking about it. Congruence is also displayed with the volunteers that answer the hotlines, because the people have to respect the HIPAA policies and also be there for people who are in need. The group values part is collaboration, common purpose, controversy with civility. So there's a lot of controversy around suicide, like I just said. A lot of high schools think that you promote suicide and it becomes a cool thing if you talk about it after something happens. I had a personal experience with while I was coaching with my high school dance team, and one of the students had committed suicide, and a bunch of my dancers said that they couldn't get help from the counselors really unless they made an appointment, and they weren't allowed to talk about it in class or in school. They would get in trouble if they talked about it. And I think that it made it harder for them to heal and grieve the loss of their friend to suicide by not being able to talk about it and say, these are the signs and warnings, these are the warning signs of suicide, and what can we do to help prevent it next time. It takes community values with citizenship, and like I said, as a community, we just need to start speaking out about the importance of suicide and the hotline. The hotline is really important. They're going to start a text message hotline as well, so that they can still get help. And that's all I have for this social change project and this practice project. I hope I did this right. It's intimidating having the webcam, but here was my practice extra credit project for MDS 300, and I hopefully can figure out how to turn it off and do this. So thank you.